Isn't that waterfall spectacular? Hello everyone, I'm out here today, one of my favorite hiking spots. And although I've passed this waterfall many times before, today it stood out to me and really got me thinking. How often do we take something for granted that we become blind to it? I mean, we physically still see it, as I see this waterfall here, but a lot of times we don't take the time to appreciate it. Especially for those of us in the that enjoy the outdoors, we can become content with our surroundings. We forget why our favorite hunting spot, fishing hole, or peaceful trail is special to us. When we take nature for granted, we have a hard time remembering what attracted us to the outdoors in those particular places in the first place. So, everyone, I encourage you all to take a little bit of time to get outdoors, slow down a little bit, take a deep breath, and enjoy the beauty and blessing nature has to offer to us. Until next time, guys, this is Resolute Outdoors. See ya.